The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, had informed on the proposed peace talks with the proscribed Hnlc outfit, wherein he stated that he would be meeting officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs in New Delhi very soon to wait for the MHA's green signal for the government of Meghalaya to advance forward in the peace talks.
So when we had seen the press release that was given by the Hnlc, even though we had not received a formal communication in writing from them, we were very positive about the message, and based on that press release we had started the initial exercise. So we have already identified the people, and after that of course we received a formal communication from them, and just today in fact I was in office. I'm going to Delhi tomorrow. In my visit to Delhi tomorrow, apart from meeting different officials and different ministers, I will be meeting the officials of the MHA, and I'll be briefing them about the developments taking place and discuss with them on how to take this forward. So we are at a very advanced stage now. We have already, as I said, shortlisted the names, and once we formally communicate and get a signal from MHA, Government of India, we will take the next step forward. So it'll be more clearer once I make my visit tomorrow to Delhi.
On the border issue between Meghalaya and Assam, CONRAD SANGMA informed that the Survey of India would be submitting its report to the MHA, so a decision could be made on the final settlement of the long-pending boundary issue between the two states.
So, as you're aware, in the border issue, the two states have already submitted a joint report and a joint statement to the MHA. And the MHA has now asked the Survey of India and other departments to give a report to them. I'm presuming that the MHA is waiting for those reports to come in, and I'm sure that in very short time, very few days, I'm sure that MHA will call us. In fact, Home Minister had called us last week, but due to his busy schedule, we had to postpone the meeting. So I expect that the meeting will take place very soon.